Hey y'all, and welcome back to the party. It's your girl Britt Reacts, and today we are reacting to Steven Tyler Slash and Train Dream On at the Howard Stern Birthday Bash 2014. Wow, let's see what they have to say.
Howard, what a long and strange trip this has been. Here's to you.
I'm honored, my friend.
Here's
Thank
to you.
Thank you.
And here's to hell. May we have as much fun there as we had getting there, huh, Howard?
And we'll be there.
Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is a birthday party?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, before I let this gentleman here get into whatever he's about to get into, and everyone sounds so excited, you guys know I'm going to have to just talk about the atmosphere. First of all, this is, I know who Howard Stern is. I know Slash plays the guitar. And that is the extent of who, what, when, where. The fact that this is his birthday party and this feels like a concert is nuts, but not surprising because Howard Stern is like a legend in the radio world, so rightfully so. Obviously I haven't seen Slash yet. This gentleman here is giving, and I mean this in the best way, like Pirates of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp. It is giving icon, legend, style icon, like the black nails. All the kids are doing that now. All the rappers are doing it. The cluster of necklaces. This what seems to be like reptile skin vest, and then the long sleeve shirt with the split collar, and the like. He's got black glitter patches here. Like, phenomenal. I would wear this. And then you want to talk about the skunk stripe in his hair, and his hair is all disheveled and tousled, but perfectly. It's styled that way. He didn't just roll out of bed. This gentleman is everything I wish I could be.
Every time that I look in the mirror, all these lines on my face getting clearer. The past is gone. When I lie dust to dawn, isn't that the way? Everybody got the dues and I the pay. Come on!
I'm sorry, the that he just did into the microphone and the lyrics to this song, he's like, the lines just keep getting clearer, like time is passing by is what I'm getting. But I can't get over the into the microphone. I've never heard that done like in a that was just like, it was just like dynamic, kind of like woke me up a little bit. I just feel like something is about to go down. Come on!
I know nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. I know it's everybody's sin. You got to lose to know how to win.
You gotta lose to know how to win. That's the truth. That's the truth. You gotta lose to know how to win. Wait, I love the lyrics to this song.
Got to lose to know how to win.
Yeah, I love that.
Have my lives in books, written pages, living, learning from fools and from sages. know it's true. All the things you back together. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for laughter, sing for the tears.
You guys, the sound effects he's making with his mouth are so incredible. And then the way he's like swelling, throwing it back with it, his voice is phenomenal. I'm like, I gotta tuck my hair behind my ears to really hear what's going on. Like, wait a minute, Steven Tyler. This is Steven Tyler, right? Because it's not, I know it's not Slash. And I don't know who Train is, but I don't think this is Train. I feel like this is Steven Tyler. It's got to be. Why would his name be up first? And where are the others? There's not that much long left in the song. Where are the other ones? Let's go. I need to see them.
Sing for the year, sing for laughter, sing for the tears. Sing
Is that Slash?
jump on it, let me jump out.
I don't know who anyone is.
Take you away.
Is it Slash?
Dream on, dream yourself a dream come true.
I'm married. I'm a married woman. I'm married. I'm a married woman. I'm married. Slash is hot. You want to talk about presence? You want to talk about walk into a room and steal the show? All right, I'm going to let him do his thing. I won't interrupt. I don't know.
Dream on, dream yourself a dream come true. Dream till your balls turn blue.
Dream until your balls turn blue? Is that what he said?
Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me.
My homegirls in the back here with the shaker and the tambourine are getting their lives, and I'm jealous. I want to be right there. I love when there's a small, simple instrument in a big, full song, and you can hear it. Like, it makes all the difference. I love it. It makes me so happy, and you can hear what they're playing as well as feel it from them. This man is a freaking rock star. The is insane. I lied. I interrupted. I'm not sorry, because I'm going to take it back a little bit. Did he say dream till your balls turn blue or something like that?
Sing for laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me, jump on it, maybe tomorrow good Lord take you away. Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me, jump on it, maybe tomorrow good Lord take you away. Happy birthday, Howard. Happy birthday, Howard.
I did not want that to end. I did not want that to end. I did not want that to end. Dream on. I don't know what the rest of what, like, I don't want to butcher the lyrics. I feel like y'all will hate me. Like, his ability to open up his throat box and just fully pull it back and bring it back in is insane. I want to be at that birthday party. Wow. I don't know who Train was or which one was Train. I'm going to assume it was one of the other gentlemen playing the guitar, maybe. Slash is so freaking fine. I don't even know what his face looks like. I just like the aura of him, the essence of him. Came out with that top hat on, the big curly hair. Heesh. And Mr. Tyler, I wish I like had he's just radiating just like, I wish I could. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I loved what he had on. His vocals are phenomenal. He's clearly a rock star, and I'm just now being introduced to him, which I feel like I should be ashamed. I feel like y'all are going to be like, how have you not? I don't know, but now I've been introduced and I need to know more. I need to understand. So let me know in the comments. I'm actually probably going to go watch this again or try to find the extended version because that was crazy. All right, y'all. Please go have the day you deserve. Peace.